Number 1. ARCA. ARCA is a workshop dedicated to pushing the boundaries of luxury woodworking. They are known for their innovative approach, combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge techniques to create truly exceptional pieces. Here are some key aspects of ARCA. Focus on innovation. They constantly experiment with new materials, techniques, and technologies to create unique and groundbreaking designs. Emphasis on quality. ARCA prioritizes the use of high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship to ensure exceptional results. Collaboration. They often collaborate with renowned designers and architects to bring their visions to life. Sustainability. They strive to use sustainable materials and practices whenever possible. Number 2. BioHome 3D. BioHome 3D is a groundbreaking project that represents a significant advancement in sustainable and innovative housing. Key features: 3D printed construction. The home is primarily constructed using 3D printing technology, which offers significant advantages in terms of speed, efficiency, and customization. Number 3. SanFoot. SanFoot is a brand specializing in real wood veneer wall coverings. Key features: natural beauty. Offers the authentic look and feel of natural wood. Versatility. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including residential, commercial, and hospitality settings. Durability. Durable and long-lasting, resistant to wear and tear. Easy installation. Relatively easy to install compared to traditional wood paneling. Eco-friendly. Utilizes natural materials and can contribute to a more sustainable interior design. Number 4. Naturi Vertical Beam. Naturi is a revolutionary approach to sustainable housing, focusing on building homes entirely from Naturi Vertical Beam, a unique construction method that utilizes wood without the need for chemical treatments or glues. Key features: eco-friendly. Eliminates the use of harmful chemicals and glues, minimizing environmental impact. Sustainable. Utilizes renewable wood resources for construction. Innovative construction. The Naturi Vertical Beam is a unique structural element that provides strength and stability without the need for traditional framing methods. Healthy living. Creates a healthier indoor environment by minimizing exposure to harmful chemicals. Number 5. Woodcrete. Woodcrete is a composite material made from a mixture of wood fibers, like sawdust or wood chips, and a binding agent, typically cement. Key features: sustainable. Utilizes wood waste products, reducing landfill waste and promoting resource efficiency. Durable. offers good strength and durability comparable to concrete. Insulation provides better insulation than traditional concrete, improving energy efficiency in buildings. Versatility can be used for various applications, including building materials, walls, floors, roofs, furniture, and even decorative items. Environmentally friendly, lowers the carbon footprint compared to traditional concrete production. Number 7. Reciprocal Roof. A reciprocal roof is a unique type of roof structure where each rafter supports the adjacent ones, creating a self-supporting system. Key features: self-supporting. The interlocking nature of the rafters provides inherent strength and stability. Versatility can be used in various architectural styles, from modern to traditional. Aesthetics often creates visually interesting and dynamic roof lines. Potential for large spans can cover large areas without the need for internal support. Number 8. FeelingWood. FeelingWood is a brand known for its high-quality wood fiber insulation. Key features: sustainable, made from recycled wood fibers, promoting sustainability. Excellent insulation, provides high thermal resistance, reducing energy consumption. Sound absorption, helps to reduce noise transmission. Environmentally friendly, free from harmful chemicals and pollutants. Easy to install. This can be easily cut and installed in various applications. Applications: used in walls, ceilings, and floors of residential and commercial buildings. Can also be used for soundproofing and acoustic treatment. Number 9. Freres Wood Mass Ply. Freres Mass Ply is a revolutionary engineered wood product that is changing the face of modern construction. It's essentially a massive panel made from thin layers of Douglas fir veneer glued together under extreme pressure. Key features: exceptional strength. Mass Ply offers an incredible strength-to-weight ratio, rivaling or even surpassing steel and concrete in some applications. Sustainability. Made from a renewable resource, wood, and manufactured with minimal environmental impact. Versatility. can be used in a wide range of applications, from residential and commercial buildings to bridges and other large-scale structures. Number 10. Immerso. Immerso is a company that reimagines the possibilities of wood, creating stunning and innovative products that blur the lines between art and functionality. Their approach is characterized by a deep respect for the material, meticulous craftsmanship, and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wood. Key aspects of Immerso. Innovative design. Immerso creates unique and contemporary designs that challenge traditional perceptions of wood. Exceptional craftsmanship. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted with attention to detail and a focus on quality. Sustainability. Immerso often incorporates sustainable practices and utilizes reclaimed or FSC-certified wood. Artistic vision. Their work transcends mere functionality, offering a unique aesthetic experience. Number 11. Transparent wood. Transparent wood is a fascinating innovation with the potential to revolutionize various industries. Key features. Transparency. Achieves a high degree of transparency while retaining the structural integrity of wood. Sustainability. Made from a renewable resource, offering an eco-friendly alternative to glass. Strength and durability. Exhibits good mechanical properties, such as strength and flexibility. Aesthetics. Combines the natural beauty of wood with the functionality of glass. Number 12. Systimber. Systimber is a Belgian company specializing in prefabricated timber construction systems. Key features. Innovative construction method. Utilizes a patented system of prefabricated wooden elements that can be quickly and easily assembled on-site. Sustainability. Focuses on using sustainable and locally sourced timber. Efficiency. Reduces construction time and minimizes waste on-site. Versatility. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Number 13. BrickB. BrickB is an innovative building system that utilizes interlocking brick-like units to create strong and customizable structures. Key features. Interlocking design. The unique shape of the BrickB units allows them to interlock without the need for mortar or glue. Versatility. Can be used to build a wide range of structures, from small garden sheds to larger buildings. Sustainability. Made from durable and recyclable materials. Easy assembly. Simple and intuitive to assemble, making it accessible to both professionals and DIYers. Customization. Offers high levels of customization, allowing for unique and creative designs. Number 14. GUTEX Ultratherm. GUTEX Ultratherm is a high-performance wood fiber insulation board used in roof and wall construction. Key features. Excellent thermal insulation. Provides superior thermal insulation, reducing energy consumption and improving energy efficiency. Moisture resistant. Highly resistant to moisture, preventing mold and mildew growth. Durable and robust. Strong and durable, capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions. Sustainable. Made from renewable wood fibers, contributing to a more sustainable building industry. Acoustic properties. Offers good sound insulation, reducing noise transmission. Number 15. Woodinnovation CLT. Woodinnovation is a leading manufacturer of cross-laminated timber, CLT, a high-performance wood-based building material. Key features: high-quality CLT. Produces high-quality CLT panels using advanced manufacturing techniques. Sustainable sourcing. Focuses on sourcing timber from sustainably managed forests. Innovation. Continuously innovating to improve CLT production processes and expand its applications. Industry leader. A recognized leader in the CLT industry, known for its expertise and high-quality products. Significance. Woodinnovation plays a crucial role in promoting the use of CLT as a sustainable and innovative building material.